Revamp your walls with paint and patterns. A fresh coat of paint can completely transform any room, breathing new life into your space without breaking the bank. Choose a vibrant color for an accent wall, or stick with calming neutrals to create a serene atmosphere. Adding patterns with stencils or removable wallpaper can give your walls an artistic flair, making them look designer-made for a fraction of the price. If you're feeling creative, consider painting geometric designs or a two-tone wall with complementary colors. For those who love texture, peel-and-stick wallpaper is a fantastic option. It's budget-friendly, easy to apply, and removable if you ever want to change things up. It's a great way to mimic high-end finishes like faux brick or intricate patterns. Wall art is another game-changer. Frame personal photos, create a gallery wall with thrifted artwork, or hang a large statement piece. You can even repurpose items like old mirrors or wooden panels for a rustic touch. The goal is to add personality and depth to your walls without spending a fortune. Your walls set the tone for your space, so don't underestimate their power in a home makeover. With a little creativity and effort, they can go from plain to Pinterest-worthy in no time.